Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. I've gotten so many questions from you all about how I do my nails. Could I show you all how I do my nails, or doing a nail vlog or something? And I decided to finally do one. This company, Modelones, actually reached out to me and sent me some gel nail supplies. So we're gonna do that today. So I actually always do my own nails ever since the pandemic. I just don't feel right going to a nail salon anymore for some reason. So I'm going to show you all how I do my nails at home. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so today I was dyeing hair, so my nails are a mess. But whenever I make a set, I always do extra nails, so I make 20 nails every time, so I can always have spare nails. I bring spare nails when I'm going on a trip or something, or just going out, bring a glue so I can always fix them. It's just press-ons are the way to go. But if you look really closely, my hands look a mess, my nail, you can see how the nail polish kind of it develops little bubbles and it breaks apart like nail polish does. And I use a cheap nail polish. So I'm really excited to try gel. So I never had gel nails, even when I went to the nail shop and stuff. I just, I don't like change that much to where I use paint all my life. So everyone's like, oh, get gel, it lasts longer. So I'm excited to see. So we're going to do a press-on set with gel polish today. I'm not even sure what all they sent me, but we'll see. So I'm really excited. I'm going to do everything the exact same way I do it normally, so you all can get the gist of it. Okay, so here's the gel top and bottom coat. That's how you spell the name, in case I was saying it wrong or something. And they also sent me a little UV lamp. I've never done this before, so this is gonna be fun. Let's see what colors they sent me. Okay, so these are the bottles, I guess. My nails look so bad right now. I need this. But these are the bottles. Let's look at it. Oh, I'm a little confused. So it says nail gel. Oh, so this is the color I have on right now. Okay, they sent me a lot of colors. So this is a mint color. Really excited to try that. Let's see these other colors. I'm just going to take them all out. This bottle is really cool though. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Even though you can't see the color other than this little sticker, I think this is a really cool design. It looks clean, it looks neat, it's cool. They sent a chocolate color. I've been wanting chocolate nail polish for so long. I can't find a good one. So I'm really excited. It's called 1968. They sent a glittery color. It's called Shiny Snowflake. Y'all, I don't know anything about gel nail polish. We're gonna see how this goes. But this design is just so cool. I never saw any nail polishes, nail gels like that before. Black, you gotta have black. It's called Cocoa Black. You need it. It's essential. And they also sent this greenish olive green color. Every color is really clean. It's nothing every color they sent me, at least, is really neutral-ish. So I think it would go together in a set really cool. But let's set this up to actually paint these nails. So I'm going to use this little magnet stand thing I got from Amazon. It's only $5. So it comes with these, they look like little chess pieces. But you stick a little piece of putty on them, and then you attach the nail to it. And that's how the nail stays still, so you're able to just paint the nail normally. So here are all these little thingies. So I kind of put some in there, some on the top, and it all has a magnet on the bottom. So I'm just going to use these tips I got from Amazon. These were maybe $10, and the little stand thingies are $5. I bought 2 of them so I could do 2 sets at once, which would be 24 pieces. I'm able to paint 24 nails at once. So that way I can always have a backup nail and all of that in case something falls off, breaks, whatever. Going to go ahead and stick these on here. Let me show you. You all know how they stick, right? It's just easy. You just stick it on there it just balances like that, and now you can paint it. Okay, y'all, so all the nails are put on here. You all can see right there. Bam, bam, bam. A lot of times I'll just be laying in bed doing this while I'm watching TV. Okay, so here's the top coat and here's the base coat. I'm really impressed by the packaging so far. So I'm just going to paint all of these nails with the base coat, and then you're going to sit it under the UV lamp. This is the UV lamp. I thought that was really cool. It looks like this, but it has a little kickstand on it like that. So I'm going to show you all when I actually put it under there, but let's paint these nails first. Firstly, I will be applying a thin layer of the base coat to all of the nails. And once the base coat is added, we're going to go ahead and put it under the UV lamp. So there's a button on the back and you hold it for how long you want it to stay on. So the longer you press it, the longer it will stay on. So I just left those under there for about a minute, and you can see that beautiful blue light shining down on it. So here is a close-up of all the colors and the names that they sent me. I found out 1968 was actually like a more maroon color, so I just decided to go with the mint color. Please ignore how bad my nails look, but basically I'm just going to paint all the nails with the mint color. You cannot mess this up. It's literally impossible. I'm just painting it with a solid color, and it's not like you can go out the lines or anything. So I just love press-ons. So I'm going to sit these nails under the UV lamp for about 2 minutes, and then they'll be dry. I then decided I wanted to add the sparkly color to my ring finger, and y'all, it looks gorgeous. Look at those sparkles. It is giving, you all. It looks beautiful. I popped that under the UV lamp the next 5 nails, and we're done in 2 minutes. Okay guys, so I finished my nails. Here they are. They look gorgeous. Tell me this doesn't look like a set you get at the nail salon. Like, okay, so press-ons are just it. I didn't even file them down yet. So when I put them on, I do like buffer my nails. You can get a bunch of these on Amazon for like probably $5. So just buffer your nails, clip them like all the way down so you can't see any nail behind it, and you're good to go. Probably buy some nail filers and you're good. But look at this. Like, this looks like what? Let's say a $40 set. It's gel too, so let's say it's about $50 set, right? I decided to just paint a few of the colors so you all could see them. So that purple looking color was actually white, so I'm so glad I got a white. Everybody needs a white nail polish. Black, the chocolate one is actually more of this burgundy. Then I have a green. Love that green. It's so like, it's like an Irish green. And then a nude color, which is iconic. I couldn't open the yellow one, so I didn't do that one. But look at these nails, y'all. They look gorgeous. You definitely don't need as many coats as you would use with your normal nail polish. And let me scoot back. And it's just way faster. Like, these are completely dry. So usually when I use my normal nail polish, I have to wait I wait maybe 24 hours, a whole day, before I actually wear them. But these, like, I'm touching them, nothing's coming off, nothing's coming off. Look at that. That looks bomb. I didn't even file it down yet, which I need to do. But y'all, look at that. These are my old nails. This, bam. So they look good. I only did one hand, so these are the gel. Yeah, but I love, love, love these. I just need some more colors before I fully switch to gel nails. But those bottles are so beautiful. I love them. But that is basically it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm going to link this nail polish, the UV, all of that, this website in the description box. So go ahead and check it out, you all. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.